Hook, have you ever wondered if you can link your Monzo account to PayPal? It's a question that many people ask, especially if you're looking to make online payments or transfer money internationally. Context: PayPal and Monzo are both popular financial services, offering a range of features and benefits. But can they work together? Let's dive into it. The basics. What is PayPal? A widely used online payment platform that allows you to send and receive money, make purchases, and manage your finances. What is Monzo? A UK-based digital bank known for its innovative features, such as instant notifications and budgeting tools. The compatibility question. Can you link Monzo to PayPal? The short answer is yes, you can. Both PayPal and Monzo support linking external bank accounts. The linking process. Step-by-step guide. Log into your PayPal account. Go to the Wallet section. Click on Link a bank or card. Select Add a bank account. Enter your Monzo account details. Confirm the link. Tips for linking. Ensure you have the correct account details. Be patient as the linking process may take a few minutes. Asterisk: you might need to verify your Monzo account with PayPal. Benefits of linking Monzo to PayPal. Convenience: easily transfer funds between your accounts. Flexibility: use either PayPal or Monzo for your transactions. Security: both platforms have robust security measures in place. Potential issues and solutions. Linking errors: if you encounter problems, double-check your account details or contact PayPal or Monzo support. Limitations: there might be certain features or services that are restricted when using a linked account. Alternative payment methods. Revolut, another popular digital bank that can be linked to PayPal. Starling Bank offers similar features and benefits to Monzo. Conclusion. Asterisk: in summary, you can indeed link your Monzo account to PayPal. Asterisk: the process is relatively straightforward and offers several advantages. Asterisk: if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Call to action: have you linked your Monzo account to PayPal? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about online payments or digital banking, be sure to subscribe for more helpful content. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.